everyone, welcome back to my channel. This was requested several times that I do a video of the wedding cake that I was making for my mom. The person she's marrying, his favorite is chocolate. Her favorite is white. She wanted a personal cake for them two, so this little backstory. And she wanted one layer of chocolate, one layer of white. She wanted just a regular kind of small round cake. At first she did want a tier cake, but she changed her mind because it was so small. There was no reception or anything like that. There was only about 15 people there. That included myself, my sisters, our children, his two kids, my nanny, my papa, and the preacher and his wife. None of us partook in this cake, and like I said, it's just for her and John. And she wanted just something kind of simple and elegant and red flowers. So I done white icing. Normally I would have made buttercream, but I have been babysitting. The day I started making this cake actually was babysitting as well. So I had Connor, Aiden, and Allie. And if you're new to my channel, I have one child, Connor, and my sister's children, Aiden and Allie. I babysit them, especially during the summer. So yes, I was kind of swamped, and so I just used store-bought icing. Then my favorite is to do like pearls around the cakes. I don't know, I just love how it looks. And then when you drag the icing too, it kind of makes like a rope kind of effect. And these flowers here are from the Dollar Tree, and so I literally just done a cake that was upon my mom's wishes. So this was perfect for her. She absolutely loved it, and I'm actually pretty smitten on how it came out as well, to be honest. Especially with 2 boxes of cake mix, 2 cans of icing store-bought, and 2 bundles of flowers from the Dollar Tree. Honestly, you cannot beat that. This is an $8 wedding cake, and if you're on a budget and in a pinch, and it's not perfect, but it was perfect for her. And I am not the greatest cake artist, but I think it came out really well, and I was really pleased, and I was so happy that she was happy with this, and it made her and John's day very special. Yes, my mom married someone named John. I'm married to someone named John. My mom has been divorced since I was 19, and I'm 32 now, so she remarried now. And yes, I'm happy for her, I'm happy for them, and I hope they have a long and happy marriage. So yes, that is the wedding cake I made Mom for $8. Literally, actually $7.80. So guys, you cannot beat that. You can do so many things on a budget, and Dollar Tree and Walmart have your back. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick video, a little bit of backstory. Also, my mom married into my best friend from high school's family. Yes, and if my sister marries the person she's been dating for a while now, she will marry into my other best friends from high school's family. Yes, I knew we were sisters all along. That is the cake video. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you always for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already.